Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to solve this linear equation and we will find the value of x. To find it, we will start into eliminating the number -1 and 3x on both sides. To eliminate this number -1, it's necessary to add the +1 here, and if we add a number in this side and on the left side, we need to do the same thing on the right side. Then we will add the +1 here. 3x, to eliminate it, we will add the -3x here, and the same in this side, -3x here. Then we will organize the equation. X minus 3x minus 1 plus 1 equal 3x minus 3x plus 17 plus 1. Then here x minus 3x is -2x, because here on the left side of the value of x, we have the number 1, and 1 minus 3 is -2, right? Then we will cancel -1 plus 1, because -1 plus 1 is 0, equal 3x minus 3x is 0 too, and we cancel. 17 plus 1 is 18, and we have the sign of negative on the left side of the number 2, and we will eliminate this sign by multiplying both sides by -1. Alright, then negative with negative becomes positive. 2x equals, the number 18 here is positive, and positive with negative here becomes -18, okay, because 18 times 1 is 18, of course. Then finding the value of the x, we will divide both sides by 2. Why divided by 2? Because here we have 2 times x, and to eliminate the number 2, to eliminate it, we need to divide it by 2, because 2 divided by 2 is 1. Then we cancel. 2 divided by 2 is 1. It's not necessary to put 1 here, 1x. It's not necessary. Just write the letter or the variable x. And -18 divided by 2 is -9. It's our answer. I hope you enjoy it. Subscribe and see the video recommendation that you can see on the screen now, and comment below about this video and give me suggestion in subjects in math that you want to see here in my channel. See you later. Bye.